little Chicago thing, a sexy 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 little Chicago thing. I like them Chi-Town girls cause they kinda down to earth. They still like smoke that perk, riding through the city streets. Lake Shore Drive, north side, west side, south side, all the birds, all the people I used to know there. Now I'm a Florida boy, been here for like 6 years. I'm drinking hella beer, I'm tuned off in the club. I still got love for Illinois, though. I'm an Illinois boy, doing Illinois things. Used to chill off in the burbs, smoking on the herb. Used to ride through the city, thinking damn this world is gritty. Gotta love the Chi-Town girls, they so fine, and there's so many dimes, and yo, they got some behind. Woo. Sexy little Chicago thing, you a sexy little Chicago thing, a sexy little Chicago thing, yo. She's a sexy little Chicago thing, a sexy little Chicago thing, a sexy little Chicago thing. This is for my Illinois girls with the pretty curls. Ones that wear the jackets in the coat and still look bold. Ones with fat asses, big titties run the city. All my Illinois girls come and fuck with me. Take a trip down to South Florida, chillin' MIA. In January, it's 85 degrees. We can play Bull Big B's, I'm pimpin' Dawn, the king and the prince. My breath smell like mint. This is for all them Chicago girls, them sexy little Chicago girls, and them pretty little Chicago girls. All the sexy little Chicago girls and pretty little Chicago girls, damn little Chicago girls.